played to serve ecology as an essential food for day to enlighten our life and could be an attempt to take the view through a fictional high-dense plant life. Human took the position to arrange its living space in a certain direction, claimed once, and got the authority power of earth. But it took a long time to build such a path into too much micro level of accessible. So it provokes me to inquire about the mindsets who are roaming around and how they connect themselves to ground. As an artist, when I think about geography, which I live or left, the ground becomes more life than human. It carries many conditions to the life of the earth. After arriving at the space, I found the great contrast of ground divided by concrete walls. One is very much green and overly live, and other is real effect of a hill connected to fog. So it is clear that human touched plants are greener than the nature now. So this type of observation made a suitable ground for my ongoing green paper project again here. So I prepared a dome structure, flexible walled four-way courtroom to give a distance feel of nature. We have the nature of our own. There is a hope, so it is necessary to make the agreements for the life of both human and plant. Agreements not to bind, but to give a permission to live together. I'm narrating a story. Basically, it's a conversation in between a plant and man. City of narrative lanes, all lanes are filled with aspiration. One migrant kid went down search of a house, rented or purchased. It was inside the lift and thinking to go to the ground for search of a new house as it was adopted, the docility to the achievement. Lift was moving up and down continuously. When it goes up, the desire of ground goes down, but when lift comes down, desire of plant goes higher. It was a story that I have developed in between these days. So basically, I was thinking how the relationship in between man and plant has been changed in a long duration of agriculture. There are many cultures, but this agriculture thing changes a lot in ecosystem. So now we can think that with plant human talks that live for a long time till the end of human, it is beneficial to human.
मैं वहाँ पर जॉब करता था। मैं बजाज अलायंस इंश्योरेंस कंपनी मार्केटिंग एग्जीक्यूटिव था और वहाँ से वापस आया हूँ यहाँ पर फार्मिंग करने के लिए। शहर की ज़िंदगी से बिल्कुल परेशान हो गया हूँ। मैं ट्रैकिंग का काम है, वैसे ट्रैकिंग में जाता रहता हूँ। ऊपर लैंड ले रखे 300 नाली ऊपर है। इनसे सलाह मशवरा करने के लिए आया था कि क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा करके। मैं सोच रहा हूँ ना कि मतलब आदमी जिसके पास पैसा ना प्योरिटी की ओर भाग रहा है। वैसे बेसिकली क्या है, अगर हम 15-20 हज़ार की जॉब करते हैं, शाम को घर को आलू ले आना है हमने, हम इनके 2 किलो आलू रख दे। पोटैटो 40 रुपए केजी चल रहा है। अगर कोई कहे प्योर आलू है, गोबर की खाद से बनाया है, ये 80 रुपए किलो है, तो मैं नहीं ले जा पाऊंगा ना। मेरी आमदनी इतनी नहीं है। लेकिन कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जिनका पैसा है, तो प्योरिटी की ओर भाग रहे हैं, लेकिन उनको चीज नहीं मिल पा रही है। मुझे उन लोगों को खोजना है और वहाँ पर गोबर की खाद से खेती करके आलू इस टाइप की चीजें बना के और शुद्ध गाय को घास खिला के दूध निकाल के उनके घर होम डिलीवरी करनी है।
So I thought there must be some agreement happened when the first man tried to put a seed on the ground. Because before that there was another relationship with the plants and human. Because plants are not dependent on human. Human and animal are always dependent on plant at this time. But from then they adopted the docility of human, and human started nurturing them, started protecting them for human existence only, because human needs them. That's why the human is protecting. So the relationship become different from them. Lifestyle को आसान बनाने के लिए ये सब चीजें किया जा रहा है. So I think there should be some agreement happen when the human thought first to put the seed on the ground. So in this context, when I am seeing in urban farming and so many things are happening and a lot of things are happening on the name of eco and plant ecosystem. In ecosystem, we also come in that ecosystem. We can collectively make a new consciousness, new agreement of this type.
I don't find any name on this paper, but let's as what it is. Mohit Kant Mishra, man is the measure of all things. Applied in natural relationships between a plant and another plant of same gender. It should not be mandatory that humans govern the sexual preferences of plants. Oh, wonderful. Human life fulfilling the needs of human.
मीठी कॉटन है उसे आपको फ्रेश बीज अगर लेंगे तो वो ही सिर्फ चल पाएगा। अगर उसका बीज निकाल करके आपने बोया ना तो पौधा तो बनेगा लेकिन उसको वो घैंट नहीं आएगी वो जिसमें कपास आती है। ये चीज अगर एक ही तरीके के वैज्ञानिकों ने कोई अपने इस तरीके की रिसर्च कर ली है और रॉयल्टी उसको बस एक ही बार मिलकर रह गई तो कोई खास बेनिफिट नहीं समझता। और आज तक साइंटिस्टों के साथ में हुआ भी ये है कि उनको कोई रॉयल्टी नहीं मिली है, इतना ज़्यादा बेनिफिट नहीं मिला है। तो अब ये है कि रॉयल्टी उनको हर बार जाती रहेगी।
Plants don't produce paper as it involves cutting.
That's it, cutting trees.
Cutting trees. Don't use toilet.
So we reject that.
You don't say reject, you just stands in.
That's right.
Plants, you never say anything. You need to communicate more.
Existence.
One line with a picture of tree, another line with a picture of humans, and one it's like alternate. Now plant says, I'm silent. Human said, you will use me. What is this? Let's go together, plants and human beings, to find again and develop.
I am a plant and I demand human that while the agreement happened, I asked to protect me and nourish so that I'll give you food, but I never said to kill my friends because you need more space to live. I demand to protect them too. Anonymous.